What is up, guys and gals? Today is just another quick video, just sharing my pack find. I got this at Toys R Us. It's new for 2020. Lovely Bone Shaker monster truck, the white color one. Well, I got only 3. I wanted to buy 6, but there's only 3 there. Why 6? Okay, let me show you. I think there's a variation on this. This one got a black skull. This one is like a metal gray, and this one is chrome. Can see that? Let me show again. Yeah, baby, yeah. So I want to buy 6. I want to lose 3 of them and keep 3 in carded. Which one do you prefer? The black one or the gray one or the chrome one? I don't know which one is hard to find, but I got all 3 in the same Toys R Us. Let me know in the comments which one do you prefer. Okay guys, Roger now.